6 a.m. as usual, I am still awake. Start on the chores and sweep till the floor's all clean. Polish and wipe the laundry, mop and shine up. Sweep again, and by then it's like still 6:15, and still I'll read a book or mag about 2 or 3. I'll add a few new paintings to my sketchpad. I'll play guitar in the app and cook, and basically wonder when will my travel goals begin. Then after lunch it's puzzles, making desserts, then eating. Paper art, a bit of ballet and paint. Pictorial video editing, YouTube vlogging. Then I'll stretch, maybe sketch, take a climb, sew a mask, and I'll reread the post. If I have time to spare, I'll paint the canvas some more. I'm sure there's room somewhere. And then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my art, stuck in the same place I've always been. And I'll keep wondering, painting, sketching, TikToking, until the coronavirus ends. Later this night, the stars will appear, just like they do every night of the year. What is it like out there where they glow? Now that we've learned our lesson, Mother Nature might just let us go.